Hey everyone, welcome back to Sunny's Toy Box. So in a previous video, we opened and checked out this box full of 3 Kinder Surprise eggs, and these are the brand new Minions. And as promised, I am gonna open them now. I'm really excited. I actually got a single one, so this is not part of the 3. And it's really cool. I love it. Absolutely love it. So yeah, you just got a whole bunch of them on the back. On the front, you've got this particular one. And he has brushy hair, which is really cool. And there he is, as you can see. And he's these little shoes, so gorgeous, and his hair is actually really cool. And then you just put him on his stand like this, and there we go. So there we go. Anyway, we have got 3 of these to open. I am so excited. So let's get into it. And we're going to open this one right now. Alright. This is my favourite bit, the unwrapping. And then when you finally unwrap it, then you actually crack the chocolate. And sometimes it doesn't break evenly. It breaks like that. But that's okay. Eating it is always fun. It's super yum. Super yummy. So here we go. Oh my goodness. What are we going to get? Okay. So, I'll show you this. How many things have we got? So that's just a warning, health warning. This one. This is that bouncy one. That's awesome. Oh my goodness. And then there's a whole bunch on the back, and this you can scan it. And we got this little one right here. That's awesome. One of the ones that we wanted to get. Okay. I will actually show you the little guy. There he is. His little feet. I love his little crown. It's so cute. Bounce, bounce, bounce. And here is his little bouncy thing. So, I guess you just kind of put him in and then go like this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Doing. So there we go. That's number 1. And let's open number 2 and 3. Okay, number 2. Yum. Okay. That one split a bit more evenly. Put that in his paper. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh, this one looks so cool. So there's the back. And check it out, look which one we got. He's the cutest thing ever. It's like a ukulele guitar playing minion. Oh, it's so cute. Alright. And there he is. Look at his little hair. That is so cool. His little feet. And here. So he just stands there. Is he gonna... Ah, he's falling. Well, there we go anyway. There he is, and that's what he looks like. Okay, on to number 3. Actually, you know what I realised? If you look at his eye, it moves. How cool is that? That's super cool. Okay, now get on to the third one. Alright, on to number 3. We have got different ones so far, which is excellent. I'm glad we haven't got any doubles. But even if we do get doubles, they're super cute doubles. Oh no, it exploded. That's alright. And here we go. Oh, this is really tough to open. Must be a big one. I know what this one is. Halo Chicken 03 has got this one, and this one is so cute. There he is in his little seaweed leaves thing, and he's on a crocodile. And so what you do is you push him down and he spurts out water. How cool is that? Very clever. There we go. And here he is, so I'll put him on his little thing. And then you push him down. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Ha! How funny is that? So there you go, guys. That was the Kinder Surprise Special Edition Minion Value Pack with 3. So I hope you loved it. I loved it. It was amazing. Feel free to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more awesome videos. Bye, guys.